Hello, welcome back to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So today I am here with a new topic, that is test for similarity in triangles. You have studied what are the conditions for similarity of triangles. There are 6 conditions to be satisfied for two triangles to be similar. Which are the 6 conditions? In 1:1 correspondence between the vertices of a triangle, then what are the 6 conditions? The corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. So this 6 condition should be definitely satisfied for two triangles to be similar. But what is the difference of those 6 necessary conditions from the test for similarity? These are also the conditions for similarity. What is the difference? These tests for similarity are the conditions for similarity such that if some of the necessary conditions are satisfied, the remaining will be automatically satisfied. So any of the 3 conditions are satisfied, the remaining 3 will be automatically satisfied. These conditions are called sufficient conditions, and these sufficient conditions are called tests for similarity. So what are tests for similarity? Out of the 6 necessary conditions, any of the 3 conditions are satisfied, then the remaining 3 will be automatically satisfied. These conditions are called sufficient condition and is called test for similarity. These sufficient conditions are sufficient to test the similarity between two triangles. So which are the sufficient conditions or the test for similarity? We'll see. In the first figure, the correspondence relation is of the vertices of the triangle ABC corresponds to PQR. And from the marks given here, AB and PQ are proportional to BC and QR. What does it mean? AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. 2 of the corresponding sides are proportional. What is the ratio of AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. And in this figure, the third condition is also with respect to the side only. That is AC, third corresponding sides are also proportional to the first and second. What does it mean? All the 3 corresponding sides are proportional, or ratio of the 3 corresponding sides are equal. Only that is given. So from this we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and the test is SSS. Here we tested only the 3 corresponding sides relation. So it is called SSS test. Clear? Angles we have not tested only. But from this, if you check the corresponding angles, it will be congruent. The remaining, that is, the remaining 3 will be automatically satisfied. If you check the corresponding sides, if their ratio are equal, then we can say that the triangles are similar by SSS. What is SSS? Side, side, side. This is a test for similarity. So how you will define this? In 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if the corresponding sides are proportional or the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, then the triangles are similar by SSS test. Clear? Now comes to the next figure. Here, according to the marks, only D upon GH equal to EF upon HI. Here no mark is there, so that is not tested. Only 2 of the pairs of corresponding sides are equal. Now which other marks you can see here? The angle E congruent to angle H. So 2 of the corresponding sides are proportional, and which angle is this? Angle is in between these 2 sides. It is said to be the angle included by the corresponding side. So how to? So if DE upon GH equal to EF upon HI and angle E congruent to angle H, then the triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI by, what is the test? SAS. See, A is in between the 2 sides. So this test is, here we tested 2 of the pairs of corresponding side, whether the ratio is equal. The third pair we are not tested only. And which angle is tested? The angle in between the 2 corresponding sides of both the triangles. This angle is called angle included by the sides. So how to define this test? In 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of 2 triangles, if 2 of the corresponding sides are proportional and the angle included by them are congruent, or the corresponding angle included by them are congruent, then the triangles are similar by SAS test. That is, if DE upon GH equal to EF upon HI and angle E congruent to angle H. You should take angle E and H only, included angle. You don't take D or F. Then triangle DEF similar to triangle GHI. Now comes to the next figure. Here you can see that no marks are there on the sides. We are not tested only the sides, only angles. What is the relation between angles? The corresponding angles are congruent. So here, according to the identical marks for both the triangles LMN and XYZ, it is observed that all the pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Then we can say that the triangles are similar by, what is the test? AAA test. So in this one more case is there, you can take AA test also. Why? Due to the property of triangle, we know that sum of the measures of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If 2 of the angles are equal, then the third corresponding angle also will be equal. So it is sufficient that AA test is for testing the similarity of 2 triangles. Only 2 conditions to be tested because of the property of triangle. The third angle will be automatically congruent due to the property of triangle. Clear? So AA test is there, AA test is also there. AA test means the third A is understood, it is congruent. So how to define this test? In 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if all the three corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are congruent by AA test. And AA test also we can define as in 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two of the pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar by AA test. Actually, it is one and the same. The third A you need not test. This is enough. Clear? So, AAA test and AA test. So, with respect to this figure, how we will say? In triangle LMN and triangle XYZ, LMN corresponds to XYZ and angle L congruent to angle X, angle M congruent to angle Y, angle N congruent to angle Z, then triangle LMN similar to triangle XYZ. Now comes to the next figure. These two triangles are right-angled triangle. This test is only for right-angled triangles. And here angle S is 90 degree. So here angle B is 90 degree. So test of one pair of corresponding angles is over. It is right-angle triangle. Clear? Now the test is, here you can see the mass, proportional mass on hypotenuse RT and hypotenuse UW. Also the proportional mass on the side ST and the side VW. So here only you have to check the ratio of hypotenuse and ratio of one of the corresponding side. Clear? Then the two triangles are similar by, what is the test called? Hypotenuse side test. That is only for right angle triangle. So how to define this? In 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of two right angle triangle, if the ratio of the hypotenuse is equal to ratio of one of the corresponding sides, then the two triangles are similar by hypotenuse side test. That is, in triangle RST and triangle UVW, angle S equal to angle V equal to 90 degree. That you have to say first. You have to mention which angle is 90 degree, and from that it is understood that which is the hypotenuse. Angle S equal to angle V equal to 90 degree, and RT upon UW equal to ST upon VW. Then the triangle RST similar to triangle UVW by hypotenuse side test. So these are the tests for similarity of two triangles. So what is test of similarity? The sufficient condition for testing similarity of two triangles. Actually, necessary condition there are 6 and sufficient condition there are only 3, and the remaining conditions will be automatically satisfied if these 3 sufficient conditions are satisfied. Clear? That is mean by test for similarity of two triangles. Clear? SSS SAS AAA AA and hypotenuse side test. That is about test of similarity. Today I would like to explain. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standards, and see you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.